Hello everyone, to our loyal subscribers and new visitors. We hope you're all doing well. In this video, we present an educational project aimed at explaining the basics of wireless control using the ESP32. The system is a practical model consisting of a transmitter with 8 buttons to control 8 LEDs remotely via the fast ESP-NOW protocol. The corresponding LED lights up on button press and turns off on release, making it ideal for learning communication principles between microcontrollers. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. And we'd like to let you know that all projects featured on the channel include their schematics and codes. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in another project.